Hey there, in this video we're going to talk about another array method called copyWithin. CopyWithin copies elements in an array from one location to other location. This method only copies the elements. It doesn't modify or add or remove or delete. It just copies something from one location and pastes it in some other location. So the syntax of this method looks something like this: array name followed by the keyword copyWithin followed by three parameters x, y, z, where x equals the place or the location where you want to copy the item, y equals the starting index of the yet to be copied item, and z equals the ending index. Now we will understand this method with an example. So for that I have created a variable called word, for which I have assigned an array and I have added few strings to this array. Here you can see that there are 5 strings: x, r, a, and y. So this together looks like x-ray. Now I want to change this x to a so that it looks like array. So further, instead of directly changing this x to a, I will use copyWithin method to change it or copy it. So let's do that. So let's say the syntax again: array name followed by the keyword copyWithin followed by the 3 parameters. So let's do that. Array name, which is word, followed by the keyword, which is copyWithin, followed by 3 parameters: x, y, z. So while typing these keywords, make sure that you type them correctly because these are case sensitive. So in this case, C should not be a capital one, this should be a small one, and W should be a capital one. So check them correctly while typing. Okay, now we have 3 parameters: x, y, and z, where x equals where you want to copy. So I want to copy to the first index, which is x. So the index of this first item, x, is 0. So let's change this first argument to 0. Now our second argument is starting index of the to be copied items. So what are to be copied items? I want to copy this a. So the index of a is, so let's count it: 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the index of a is 3. So it's 3. The final argument, which is ending index. So ending index, which is next index of copied items. So the next index of copied items is 4, because the index of a is 3. So the next index of the copied items is 4. So let's change this to 4. Now I will get the output in console window, console log word, and I will run the code. And yes, now we have the array with a, r, a, y. So this is how copyWithin method works. See you soon in the next video.